A closed circulatory system enables continuous flow of blood at high pressure. You see, blood cannot flow at high pressure when it is moving between cells because they block it. Okay? They will create resistance. But if you have blood vessels, then you are creating a route through which blood can move at a high speed. So it enables high pressure. Remember that in this system there is a heart, and the main function of the heart is to pump. So the heart is pumping, and therefore it is creating pressure, and therefore blood flows at a higher pressure. It can also move over a long distance. Is this clear? So that's why you find that more advanced animals have blood vessels, and the animals are also very big. You cannot have animals which are the size of a whale when the blood is flowing between the cells. It is not possible. The animal which has blood flowing between cells should be small. That's why insects are small. You don't have an insect which is as big as a human being. So it saturates the blood at a faster rate and the efficient transport of nutrients and waste products. So nutrients and waste products will be efficiently transported. Remember, we don't want waste products to accumulate in the body. They must be eliminated. The system of eliminating wastes should be highly efficient. So, animals are more active. More active animals require an efficient system to transport nutrients. Remember, glucose must be transported to where cells are active. So the system which transports those nutrients should be efficient. That's why a closed circulatory system is important. Distinguish between a single circulatory system and double circulatory system. This cholera. Distinguish between single circulatory system and double circulatory system. We have two systems of saturation. We have a single circulatory system where blood flows through the heart once. That is single. It is usually found in lower vertebrates, such as insects. So, in such a circumstance, you will find that blood flows through once. Like if you have animals in this category have only a two-chambered heart. The heart which has only two chambers. You know, mammals, the heart of the mammal has 4 chambers. So, but this one has 2 chambers. So you find that blood, if this is the heart, it flows through the heart once, then it goes to other body parts, and then it comes back. Animals with this kind of a circulatory system don't require a lot of energy, and they don't even have the energy. They are sluggish, such as insects. So, this kind of circulatory system is found in lower animals, like vertebrates. Then we have animals with a double circulatory system. Double saturation means blood flows through the heart twice before it makes a complete circle. Before it makes a complete cycle, it flows in the heart twice. We know that the heart of a mammal is 4 chambers. Okay? The heart of a mammal is 4 chambers. So if I can try to draw it here. So if this is the heart, okay? Then here we might be having something like this. So the heart has 4 chambers. These are ventricles and these are auricles. You see? So blood flows twice in this heart. How does it flow? Blood comes from the rest of the body through this blood vessel. This blood vessel is called the vena cava. So, from the rest of the body, blood comes to the heart through the vena cava. And the blood coming to the heart is deoxygenated blood. It has no oxygen. Deoxygenated blood. Blood without oxygen. It flows through. Now, you know, when you're looking at the heart, what is left is right. Yeah? What is so, we get about left here, right. So, this is the left vein. Is it left? Right. It is the right ventricle. And this is the right auricle. So blood comes from the vena cava, it goes to the ventricles pushes it out through this blood vessel. This blood vessel is taking blood to the lungs, okay? And this is known as the pulmonary artery. Pulmonary artery. The only artery which carries the oxygenated blood. It transports blood from the heart to the lungs. In the lungs, blood obtains oxygen. So let us get the lungs here. Okay? These are the lungs. So it is transported to the lungs to obtain oxygen. Are you getting it? Now, this is the first time it has come to the heart. That's why we are calling it a double saturation. Now, when it reaches in the lungs, it deposits carbon dioxide and obtains oxygen. Gaseous exchange takes place there. Gaseous exchange takes place in the lungs. Specifically in the alveolus. So, blood coming from the lungs is oxygenated. So, it comes back to the heart after it has obtained oxygen. Now, when it comes to the heart, it is with oxygen, and the heart receives it through the pulmonary vein. This is the pulmonary vein. This pulmonary vein is the only vein which carries oxygenated blood. So this is oxygenated blood here. Now this oxygenated blood will flow into the heart. It goes to the ventricles here, and then it is going to be pumped to the rest of the body, not to the lungs, to the rest of the body. So this one will now go back. You say what? It will go back. Let me pass it here. It will go back to the rest of the body and then come back to the heart. So blood flows twice in the heart before it completes the cycle. That's why it is called double saturation. Am I understood? Double saturation. Blood flows in the heart twice. First, it goes to the heart, then the heart pumps it to the lungs to obtain oxygen, and it deposits there carbon dioxide. Then blood comes back to the heart before it is transported back to the rest of the body. Okay. So, if you look at the heart, the structure of the heart, I've not done it very well, but these ventricles, this side, have thicker walls. The ventricles here have thick muscular walls. And this side, actually, the heart is not straight. It is usually tilted a bit. If you have rotated the heart is tilted. Why? Because the muscles this side are bigger than the muscles on the other side. Why are these muscles bigger? Because they pump blood with a higher pressure. Remember, blood pumped on the left. This is the left. Blood pumped on the left is going to move a long distance because it is going to go throughout the body before it comes back to the heart. So it has to be pumped at a higher pressure. So the muscles this side are more developed than the muscles the other side. Remember, these muscles here pump blood over a short distance. It is just being pumped to the lungs. But the lungs are close to the heart. So you don't have to use a lot of energy. Otherwise, if you use a lot of energy, blood will go to the lungs with the high pressure, and then the lungs will burst. So it goes there with the small pressure. You get it? So these ventricles are less developed. These ventricles are more developed. Okay. Anything else? Nothing. So, we are told to distinguish between a single saturated system and double saturation system. In single saturation, blood flows through the heart once to complete the cycle. And in double saturation, it flows 2 times. We have what we call pulmonary saturation and the systematic saturation. I hope this is now clear. Okay. Describe the general layout. Describe the general layout of the transport system in mammals. Blood which is a fluid tissue. I hope you know that blood is a tissue. What is a tissue? What is a tissue? The tissue is what? Hey, Bashir.